Hey YouTube, it's Teenage Toolman. I hope you're all having a great day today. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a freeze ray. I started out by taking my Mandalorian wrist rocket air tank. If you haven't seen that video, basically what it was is in a backpack I had an air tank, and from that air tank went to an air compressor tube, and that went out to my arm where there was 1/2-inch PVC pipe and a valve. And then I could just twist the valve and shoot rockets off, which was super cool. And in this video, we'll be shooting little ice bullets. And the way you create your ice bullets is you take that 1/2-inch pipe, that's your launch rod. If you aren't using 1/2-inch pipe, use whatever pipe you did use, and you'll seal off one end, and then pour water down from the other end. And then you can toss it in the freezer, or if it's cold enough outside, you can toss it outside. And then you create these ice bullets. After they're frozen, and you can cut them into random lengths. I'll have a picture on the screen of what those lengths should be, and then you can move on to the next step. Now on the freeze ray side of things, I think I'll just be taking this broken Nerf gun I have. If you don't have a broken Nerf gun, you can always just take any type of plastic gun. For me, I'm just using this Nerf gun, and I'm probably just going to pop out all these screws and take out this top plate, and then take out all the hardware in the middle and replace it with a valve and 1/2-inch PVC pipe. Now that I've removed all the components of the Nerf gun, you are going to take the main barrel piece. If you have a Nerf gun or any type of gun, whichever pieces that still show once the case is back on are the pieces you want to keep. So for me, that's this barrel, and you're just going to take those pieces and drill a 1/2-inch hole all the way up through here, and drill in an angle up so that up here you can just put a little slot for where your valve is, and then you can put your launch tube to about there, and then your valve will be right up here, and then your tube can run out through here, and you'll drill a hole right in this butt end, and you can have your air compressor tube go right out through there. Now that the 1/2-inch pipe is in place, you are going to take the other side of the case and slap it on top, and then screw those screws back in that you previously unscrewed. One beneficial tool that you should get this holiday season is a ratchet screwdriver. I got this for Christmas recently, and what it is it's like a socket set, but it's a screwdriver. Very beneficial tool, especially when you're unscrewing these screws. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content just like this, like and subscribe. Since Christmas and New Year's is just around the corner, I will not be posting until January, and I hope you all have a great Christmas and a great New Year.